What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back. I don't even know what to tell you guys. I have just been away for a little bit. I think I took like a week break and it feels good, but at the same time it feels like I really missed you guys. Baby girl and I just got out of the shower. That's why we look like this. And say hi. Oh, are you dancing to Count Dracula on Elmo? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dancing. Woohoo! So this week, you guys, let me fill you guys in on what's happening. I wasn't vlogging just because I feel like I let my anxiety get the best of me. I haven't been feeling that great. Well, for one, I got sick. And it was super random, and it was like 3 days. I woke up with a headache one day. I took medicine, it went away. The next day that I woke up again with a raging headache and a really bad sore throat. And I was like, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. It hurt so bad, worse than it's ever hurt before, my throat. And then on the next day it still hurt, so I wasn't feeling that great. And then Grecia has been telling me that she needs to go potty, but that's a whole nother thing. I'm not sort of gonna get into it. I'm not potty training yet, although she is telling me that she needs to go pee. No, she's telling me that she needs to go poop in her potty, so I am doing that. She will not go in her diaper anymore, so she is using her potty now for number 2. But she cannot tell me she needs to go pee just yet. So that's something we're working on because she is only 15 months old. In a couple days, on the 27th, she'll turn exactly 15 months old. So I'm not officially going to start potty training, but she does know what the potty is for. So I'm letting her, on her own time, but that is something that we had been working on. Like I've been telling her, she's able to tell me she needs to go poo-poo and potty. She can say those words now, along with a whole bunch of other words. She's saying so many words now, it's insane. She's playing with a lawnmower right now that my brother and sister-in-law gave her. It's a bubble lawnmower, and she's playing with it inside the house because we haven't even gone outside. The weather, though, has been perfect these past couple days, so I'm going to take advantage later on. I don't even know what I'm going to vlog today. I'm going to go take my mom the last set of curtains because she did cut them for me already. I'll show you guys the 3 that I have up, but I decided to put in the 4th one, so she's going to trim that for me today. And then I think I'm also going to show you guys how I make my especias. If you guys follow me, or if you guys have seen several of my videos, you know that I make a lot of Hispanic food, and I use well, my mom always cooked her especias in a jar. Not cooked, she always made her especias in a jar, and I think it just has garlic, pepper, ground pepper, garlic, and I'm not sure what else. I know it has water also, but I guess I'm going to show you guys because this stuff gives so much flavor to your food and it's so good. And apart from this, I still put the little cubes. So could you just imagine what my food tastes like? Delicious. I'm still in love with my kitchen. You guys will be seeing this weekend. Stay tuned. We are going to take this off already and add the lights. We did get the lights already. I'll show you guys what those look like real quick. These are going to be the little LED lights that are going to go right here like that. So stay tuned if you guys want to see that and more kitchen projects. And then we'll pretty much be done, and I'm going to show you guys what the curtains look like right behind me. They look like this, so they're cut. I don't have to tuck them in anymore. She cut them the perfect length, and they're kind of too far away or too straight, so I'm going to take her the 4th one that I took out so that she can cut that for me also. And yeah, I think I've pretty much covered everything that I wanted to tell you guys about. Are you ready to go see Grandma? Can you put that back, please? Put it back. I already told you, don't play with that stuff. Put it back. Thank you. Put it back, put it back, put it back. Good job. Now close the doors. The other door. Thank you. High five, high five. Woohoo! Let's go see Grandma. Come on. Up.
Up.
Say up, please. Say please. Please. No? Okay. I also wanted to tell you guys real quick that I appreciate all of you guys who had been snapping me and asking if it was okay, if we were doing okay and stuff like that. I just needed like a little break. But I did want to tell you guys that I am using Instagram more often, or like the stories, and I'm trying to get back into using Snapchat as much as I used to. I also did make a new banner for YouTube, more like springish. And then what else did I do? New banner. I'm using Instagram more. So if you guys are not following me, I always have my links and stuff down in the description box. And what else was I gonna tell you guys? Oh, I did switch out diaper bags again. So now I'm using, this is the Skip Hop unicorn bag. And I actually wanted to do a what's in my toddler diaper bag sort of before she like gets out of diapers and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, let me know or give this video a thumbs up. If not, I'm just gonna do it anyways. But that is something that I really want to do. But if you guys want to see it, then I'll do it like, you know, extra fast. Okay, we came to the dollar store. And if you guys were wondering, I got the mat from the dollar store. Yeah, and it's $10. Say it's $10, the one my mom has in the kitchen. Yeah. Is that money? Money. here is I'm just going to peel each little thing of garlic. I don't know if the whole entire like little circle is called a clove or if each piece is called a clove, but whatever it may be, we did peel at least 3 of the little circles full of them for the jar that I have, that I use, that's my size. This is, yeah, you're gonna tell them how to do it too. So you just want to peel that, take off all the skin and stuff, or like the whatever it is. And then this is what I had so far, and this is the cumin and pepper packs that you already buy at the store, and that's the size of my jar. I think this was like an olive jar way back then. So you want to start off by pouring your cumin and your pepper, both packs, into the blender, and you're going to mix that together until it becomes well, for one, the peppers do have to break, and then the cumin and pepper both together have to create like some sort of like sand consistency. I don't know if sand is the right word, but it has to be really, really fine. And then once you see it like powdery, you can add in like half of the garlic, and then maybe about half a cup of water. And right here we added in very little water, but you will see what I mean by adding in half or so. You definitely want the cumin and ground pepper and the garlic to move around so that it'll all like blend together, but you can see that it's not really moving, so we're gonna go ahead and add some more water. So I would think the first time around, just add about half a cup of water with the half of garlic that you put in. And then once we add this, you guys will see how it just blends way better, and it actually breaks up the garlic also. You see? So now it's more liquidy and stuff, and it's grabbing everything from the bottom, and it's just blending the whole 9 yards. And so once it's doing it like that, we're gonna go ahead, take the lid off, and add the rest of your garlic and just a wee bit more water, not that much, just like a little chorrito of water, and that's it. You want to mix that up. And I did tell you guys later on throughout the video, once I get home, that it doesn't matter if it's liquidy. It's better for it to be like more liquidy than it being really dry. So it looks kind of gross, but it smells delicious, and it makes your food like Mexican food. This is the answer to bomb Mexican food. A lot of people don't do it, but we do it in our family, and I don't think it's gonna be something we ever stop doing. I'm probably gonna follow my mom now that she's shown me how to do it, because before she used to do it for me. But now that I have this video, I can show you guys, and now I can show myself. We have made it home. We have beat the thunderstorm because it's about to get crazy tonight. Here, over here. Give me that one. Este no tiene. Ten. Agua. So I'm gonna show you guys basically the mat that I got. It's the same as the one that I have already. I just bought another one to replace it with that gray one there. And then I got some fly swatters, just because I don't know, you need fly swatters in your house, especially in the summertime. And then I got 2 picture frames. I just got this 8x10 and a 5x7, I believe, for the pictures that I have on top of the TV stand. All I got, look baby, another ball, pelota. Woohoo! So I showed you guys what the especias look like, at least the ones how my mom makes. And like I said, we put this in all of our food. Like, it just gives your food an extra like flavor. It has cumin, I think that's how you say it, cumin, ground pepper, and garlic. I put like 2 to 3 like cloves of garlic, the actual whole thing of garlic. And I filled up my jar and 2 packs of cumin and pepper to fill up my little jar. Of course, if you have another jar, you're gonna need more, but you just go based off of how much you want. And also, if you have, there's not like an exact measurement of water. If you do have if it has too much water, you can always like just mix it and it's okay. If it's too watery, it's fine. If it's, just make sure it's not dry, like it has to be a little bit liquidy. So I'm just gonna put this other carpet and switch out my picture frames and just chill. I think my cousin is gonna come over tonight because it's gonna storm and I'm a little bit of a chicken shit when it comes to that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, and it's 6:30 in the afternoon. It was the perfect weather to come grab some pizza and wings, and then I think we're gonna go home and watch a movie, but we were driving around because baby fell asleep. She's been asleep for a while now, for maybe like 45 minutes that we've been driving around town. But my cousin got off to go get the pizza, but I don't think we're gonna do anything else after this, so it's probably gonna be a somewhat short vlog. But I will say though that they are going to come back, like you'll probably be seeing daily videos after this, so stay tuned. Don't give up on me yet. It is already 11:30 at night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will see you guys in tomorrow's. Like I said, there is going to be vlogs from here on out, so we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.